We're here in Ohio. Jeff and Cole, they're here with me in Ohio too. Hope I'm not fogging that camera up too bad. See my breath. I did my opener earlier, but had a bunch of deer in here right at daylight. I mean, I had a bunch of deer come by, some does and little bucks chasing does. So I was afraid to do any moving or talking. I better be careful now because I saw a doe. But man, it's been a good morning so far. So we can just keep it up. High pressure, like 26, 28 degrees this morning. Beautiful weather. I mean, it's been gorgeous. The last few days, it's been beautiful. We've been seeing a lot of deer, just no shooters yet. But we'll see. I mean, it surprised you. They're cruising right now. It's like the 4th of November, so no telling what could show up. I was in here the other evening, 2 or 3 days ago, and grinding in an old 10-pointer, scarred up, missing hair. He was snort, wheezing, grunting. I mean, it was awesome. I got it all on video. It's pretty sweet. So I've had good success here the last couple of years, so we'll see what happens. We'll see if we can pull it off again. We're just going to hunt hard until we fill our tag. That's all you can do. Smoked him. I smoked dandy. Because, oh my lands, what a morning. It's been nuts. Oh, I can't talk. Had a nice big old 10. Come cruising around the hill here. I mean, dandy. He come and behind me. I looked and I was like, shoot, that's a big buck. I looked down below me. I had a good one underneath of me here. And a couple of does come through. Man, it has been crazy. Since I got in the stand, I've been on deer. I'm shaking. It's cold. And I'm excited. Yes. Oh, yes. Thank you, good Lord. Thank you, God. Oh, what a blessing. Beautiful morning this morning. Bluebird skies, frost, cold. It's like November the 3rd or 4th. Bucks are on the feet cruising. I seen this deer. He come down below me. earlier, and I was like, man, that looks like a big buck. And I grunted at him, couldn't get him to come in. I'm shaking so bad. And he went around my side. He started thrashing trees and rubbing trees and making scrapes. And I was like, gee whiz. I said, that's a pretty good deer. But I still never could get a good look at him. And I had some does come by me, and I had another buck walk in underneath of me that was chasing does, and I was grunting. And right before he come in, and I grunted, like 2 or 3 other bucks come in. And when they come in underneath of me, man, he come in from behind me. I mean, downwind, the wind's blowing right behind me. And he started coming on this flat behind me, and I was like, shoot, I hope he don't get my wind. He didn't. I mean, all the preparation I've done to try to keep from getting winded, man, it's worked. But he come down right on my left here, right beside me. Oh gosh, can't talk. Yes. So here's where he was at. You can see the arrow just coated with blood. Look at that. You can see there. I shot right through him. Stuck in the ground. That thing. Yep, blew right through him. Revolved X80. That thing is wicked. Alright, let's go get him. Oh man, like I said, I don't know the deer. I just know that he come in and he was big. Well, he should be right here somewhere. I think he's farther up here over the bank where he went fell over the hillside, I'm pretty sure. There he is, I think. Yep, that's him. Oh, there he is. He's laying right down here. Oh shoot, he rolled way down in here. Oh man, I'm gonna have a drag out here. It's worth it. It's worth it. He fell farther down here than I thought he did. And then I saw him tumbling. I didn't realize he rolled down the hill. Oh man, that's a dandy. Oh shoot. Oh, it's a bruiser. It's a bruiser. Holy mackerel. I knew he's big. It's good when they grow when you get up on the ground. They don't shrink. You gotta see this thing. Check it out. It's a toad. Look at that thing. Look at the body on him. Huge. Huge. See where I shot him? Look at that. Big old mass. Huge. Gee whiz. Man. Oh man. Just recovered him. Just got down here to him. I mean, I'm speechless. This has been, oh man, it's been awesome. I'm so pumped. I've had a great year already. I killed a nice big 8 in West Virginia with a bow, and I killed this big 12 pointer. He's a typical 10 with split brow tines. Big mass, nice big.